Welcome to Christ College Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, Khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma, ringkat ke ofisar ke lalit jingo ya ke jingtere jong ke sorkar, ke badan harut kawa umkra polo haduk katnu ke layat syaprang. Haba lepet ya ke jingtere ke ni ke jaka, ulah hiar sya sauli ban jirip ya ke jingtere na ke benta ke sekretariat pathamai ke badang yat syaprang. Ulah lepet saniru ya ke surok ke barung bami sya sekretariat. Laya keren ru bantung de keding ban penitenat ya ke surok ha New Shillong Township. Ya ke sekretariat pathamai ke sorkar ke lamang ban pelut syahajar shispa prabupra kelur tingka bat en pendap ya kijing terai haus nem arjar arpunyau. Kijing terai menta kidang yat syaprang. Ya mau nong rim jong ke sekretariat pathamai latung ha ke arpui terik kulalangkot arjar arpusan. Endala kendria ya ke sekretariat na Shillong sya sauli kan pen kelut ya ke lenti ki sengkin ki belakapnya bat chlei haman kidong bat kilat ke sor Shillong laong Menteri Rangba. Ulai thu ru bagi surok New Shillong Township ki penyaso ahman ki jaka bagi don ki office ban pensuk ya kali kawan jung ki nong tray bat ki pai pa ki bawan don kam sya office sorkar. Ulaong ru bagi sorkar kan setay ya ka Unity Mall ha ni ka sor bathamai. Na sauli Menteri Rangba ulai hiar sya umir bat mau khanu ban pet ya ka surok ka penyaso ya ka New Shillong Township. Hapulu beladi jingo eka mall ka baka sorkar katemu ban aiwai na kabenta ki dukan babon jat. Kajing penitenat ya karut kikiar jong ka wa umkra kalong shibenta ban penkre ka National Games arjar arpunyau bat ban penitenat ya kini kejaka. Ula kentui ki pat ba kamtam kitu ki pasyong hasilenter ka wa umkra ban penne e kajing khut jing subai kini ka wa ban long kajing ngau sarong jong kani kajela.
Top of the hill. Beautiful view. इसके बाद every day we should bring villagers here for picnic. Oh, we picked up for तो देखने में लगे कि पूरा सटली कौन सा है R1? अच्छा एक्सहिबिशन भी चल रहा है नहीं हो गया सर 70% कंप्लीट R2 is at a lower there oh wow so wo depression is also our land basically right. That is where we earmarked for the sports stadium and all right. Now anyways this is the story so we are here we are somewhere here right. Oh, we are here.
Yes, we entered the site. The main approach that you entered the site, that was from around this region.
So if you remember, initially we wanted to make the PM Divine Road like this. I know. Now it's going to be. But then we will show you that also. Now where are we now? Here. Here. So now where are the two rings? This is the outer ring or the inner ring?
This is the outer ring and
this is the inner ring.
Yes.
Oh yeah. And this one is going to be later on.
Yes.
No, sir, it's so started.
Sir, when you were coming, no, PCC was going on.
We जाएंगे ना वहाँ पे.
Yes, sir, yes.
Go from the other side. So we have this whole space, that whole, this is the potential thing that we earmarked for the direct hit. You can just see from here, sir, the riverfront one. The riverfront work going on. I just want to explain to you the riverfront project starts from here. And these are the kind of structures that we're doing which can be used by all the age groups. They can
So all the 110 cable is here over here, but all the 110 cameras can be monitored from here.
So there are total 110 cameras in this building,
Including the exterior part.
and all is monitored from here.
Yes.
This is that integrated control command.
For the building, building management system. It's the building management system.
This is part of the smart city and the whole concept of having a smart building with proper monitoring and cameras for safety and other aspects of security. Very good. So apart from this, I was told that there is a smart car parking. Let's see that.
And vehicle charging also is there. Okay. Charging.
Which vehicle is it there?
For all the existing car parks in Shillong, we are coming up with
Sir, you think this will come up in all the existing car parks?
all the existing car parks, we are coming up with a scheme where the existing car parks can be converted into stacked car parks like this in Lambra and all these places. Then immediately the parking capacity in the city will double. So we are coming up with a scheme most likely we will bring it to cabinet for approval and then we will decide. So basically this whole part is divided into three parts. Zone A, B and C. C is post that gate what we see. Okay. Right now we are also standing like somewhere here. So the whole bridge that we see is this one and this one. What we'll be getting there. So this is the one that connects both sides of the river, and this is the immersion ground that we have. So we are retaining that, and the ones that what we were talking about, there will be steps from the NPP office next to that will be coming, and they will be joining it here, and then this becomes like a completely organic connection between both the fronts of the river. So from the Wards Lake, December 2026. No sir. 26. My God. 25, huh? Yeah. 25, 26. Big difference. 25. Not December. Let's say at least before the rains of next year. Let's say one more year from today. I mean, what about these two? Can I take a picture here? Stand here, just picture here. Because I also want this to be kind of a record of before and after.
We have come here today in Polo area to inspect the work of the Polo Mall under the Smart City, as well as the riverfront development project, which is funded by the state government. And as you can see, the work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there, and we are hopeful that within the next couple of months a few of the shops and areas will be active. There is space for entertainment center, there is space for food court, and there are very large shopping areas, and even commercial areas for organizations that wish to have their space there. I'm very happy to see the work in the Polo Mall come up very fast. And as I said, within the next couple of years, couple of months, we should be able to get the rooms and the place active. In regards to the riverfront project, again, this is one of the very important projects for us, keeping in mind again the overall beautification of Shillong and the National Games, which is coming up in 2027. There are two parts to this particular project. One is the development of the riverfront in terms of the infrastructure and also the overall cleaning up of the river itself. So we are very keen to do both. Today we have come to inspect the infrastructure development work, and it's going on at very fast pace, as you can see. And we expect that by the end of this calendar year or early next calendar year, hopefully within the financial year of 2025-26, we should be able to complete this first phase of the riverfront. We have a second phase also that's coming up, where we will be building up more areas for smaller shops and eateries, as well as some parking space and some space for people to stay in, more like a hostel area where sports people can come and stay here, and this can become kind of a area for sports training, especially high altitude training. So all of these projects are going on, so I'm very happy to see the progress, and I'm hopeful that, as I said, within the next 8 to 12 months, we'll see this entire riverfront come up very, very well. And but at the same time, I do urge that the riverfront without the river being clean is going to be meaningless. And therefore, I urge the citizens, the local Dorbar, the headmans, and the society at large to work together with the state government to ensure that we are able to keep our rivers clean. This requires the participation of the people, especially the residents, and we will be working very closely with them to ensure that this target also is achieved. After this, we'll be going and surveying. Yes, sir. We have come here to the site of the new Secretariat, and as you can see behind me, the work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work. And we expect that the project should be completed on time, and we're expecting that sometime in 2027 mid we should be able to complete this project. So this is a very, very important project because this not only is the overall administrative city, but it will also lead to a large level of decongestion within the existing Shillong city, because once the administration moves out, then a lot of the space will be open, a lot of the traffic will be diverted, and therefore we will see a large level of decongestion taking place in Shillong city itself. At the same time, as you're aware, that we are constructing multiple roads that are leading to the new Shillong area and the Secretariat area. Some of them have been completed, some are under the process of being completed, and hence we will have a very good connectivity from the existing Shillong city to the new administrative city. So we've come to see the work, we've reviewed the whole work, and we're very satisfied with the speed of the work, and we expect that the project will be completed on time. We are here in the Umbir to Maukunu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see, the road has come up very well. And we intend to have the cycling tracks on the side. And at the same time, more importantly, we are discussing with the Soil Conservation Department. And this year itself, will be going for a massive plantation, almost close to about 8 to 10 kilometers of plantation will be done all along the road out here, and we will ensure that it's done in a uniform manner. So we'll have a straight line of, for example, the cherry blossom trees, so that it looks in a very uniform manner, or different species, local species also will be doing. So this will really create a proper view and a beautiful view along the road. And we are starting with this road, and this year itself, during the plantation season, which is now, we'll be planting these trees, and we'll be continuing this next year in other roads. For example, the PM Divine Road, which we expect to be completed by next year. We will take up the project in that section, and also within the existing roads in Shillong City also, we intend to expand and have this kind of uniform plantation of trees, so that it gives a beautiful impact and a beautiful view of the city and the roads. Thank you. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those details. You can just show the pictures. So while I'm